Hi girls, today we're going to do very beautiful makeup, green elegant eyes. So first I'm going to use mineral soft powder Kiko for base. I put it on all my face and actually I don't forget put it on my neck. Next step I use eyeshadow Chanel 51 number and I'm going to put it on my eyebrow because I want to do shape of my eyebrow. Step number 3. White pencil applied under your eyebrow and above your brow because it's actually going to do a very beautiful shape of your eyebrow. Step 4. Green color Code de Color 148 applied on the upper eyelid. Step 5. Eyeshadow Code de Color 360 apply on the precise eyes. Step 6. Near put delicate peach blush. This color going to do my eyes like a sunshine, because this color really very hot and summer color. Step 7. I'm going to put a little bit purple tint. I like so much do no standard mix of colors because it's really very creative step. Step 8. Now I'm going to do wet the arrow using black shadow. I put my brush in the water. And next step 9, I'm going to use black pencil for the waterline. So now we're going to do same steps but reflect the lower eyelid, okay? Step 11, exactly mascara. I'm using mascara Givenchy black color. Now step 12, just my improvisation. Voila! So now I'm going to do my lips very sweet and for this reason I will use lipstick Kate for Kate. Sorry, I don't know how it's right, to be honest. And this is really, really very beautiful because it's a nude color, beige color, and very glossy. So, my dear friends, my makeup ready. I'm very happy. I hope I see you again. Bye.